y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a beginner friendly protective style look. These are called passion twists. They were great to do. It did take me a while, but I have been loving them ever since I have installed them. Very easy, very beginner friendly. And it was also very inexpensive to do. I ordered a pack of passion twist hair from Amazon. Extremely inexpensive. I want to say about $40 I paid for it. It came with everything that I would need for this style, including the jewels that you see in my hair. It came in 18 inches, and this is about where it stops on me. I'm about 5'2", so if you want to see right above very inexpensive and beginner friendly way to do this protective style, then keep on watching. This is the hair that I purchased from Amazon, Passion Twist hair. The brand is Toyo Tress. Got it from Amazon. It came with the crochet hook, the jewels, rubber bands, and this was all for about, I want to say $40, but I will leave the link down below. Came with 2-day shipping. I ordered it on a Sunday. It was here on a Tuesday. This is what I'm using to moisturize my hair by Eden Body Works. It works great for me, so I'm just going to use that. And then this is the gel that I have. I didn't have any Shine and Jam near me, so I just picked this up from Walmart. This was my first time using it. Didn't know how it would turn out, but over the past couple of days it has been holding my hair in place. I have not had to retouch the past twist or anything like that, so I think it works good. This is the edge control that I'll be using by Style Factor Edge Booster. I've been using it for this entire year. I love it. I swear by it. I don't use any other edge control. It's very thick. It comes out clear. There's no buildup, no white when it dries or anything like that. Now the jam was blue. It's not as thick as the edge control, as you can see, because I have a lot of slip on my fingers. And then the tea tree oil, I used that to soak my rubber bands in to prevent breakage, because I did do the rubber band method for this look. With me being a beginner, the rubber band method was the easiest for me to attempt to do. I have never done any type of braided styles on my natural hair at all. I don't do anything with weave besides wigs and lace fronts. So this was my first time ever putting any type of weave into my hair. But this rubber band method worked extremely well for me. It did take a while. I did this on freshly washed hair, so I had to wash it, wait for it to dry, detangle, which took about an hour and a half, and then go through, make parts, and put rubber bands on, moisturize each section, and make sure that my hair would not be dry, tangled, or anything like that. As I was getting prepared to insert the crochet hooks and pull the weave through, I paced myself, and I did this the night before. I was tired, and I have two side parts and a middle part, and my parts at the back could have been better, but I was tired. This is the next day. I did complete half of the twist that night. Even though I was tired, I still wanted to go ahead and finish, so I left this little section for the tutorial. But this is the crochet hook. This is the crochet hook closed and then open. As you're inserting the crochet into your natural hair, the hook, you want to make sure that it is closed, and then once it's under the rubber band, you can open it and insert your weave onto that, close it, and then pull it back through under the rubber band through your natural hair. But I will slow the clips down and have a example to show you guys, because as I was watching videos, it seemed very confusing when they were talking about the crochet hook. But I have plenty examples coming up that will be a slowed down version to actually show you guys the crochet hook going under the rubber band and then coming back through the rubber band and the loop that it should create. after my epic fail, I needed to open up a new pack of hair. This is how the hair comes from the Toyo Tress Company on Amazon. 18 inches, and it just came looped around this little silver stretchy thing. There is about 22 pieces on each silver string. There are 6 packs of hair that come with it. So all I do is open it up, I take 2 of them off, and then I just pull it apart how I was previously doing. You just run your fingers down it and it will actually thicken the hair. And then on this part, I'm just twirling them around each other, getting them prepared to go on the crochet hook, and I keep them separated in between my pointer finger and my thumb finger so that they don't get tangled as I'm pulling them through the loop. So you guys can see here the loop that I was talking about that was created from the crochet hook, but unfortunately on this part I also messed up again, and y'all, I messed up a lot doing these. Before my first time I messed up a lot, which is probably why it took me so long, but you don't stop, you just keep going. So there's me again inserting the crochet hook. I open it after it is inserted under the rubber band, and my crochet hook kept sliding out, so I am tilting my head back to keep my crochet hook into place. Twist the weave to smooth it out and make it easier to go onto the hook. Once it is on the hook, just slide it closed, and then you just pull it through, and I'm moving slowly now to prevent any more mistakes. There is the loop that has been created. All I'm going to do is pull one side of that weave that I have separated. I'm not going to include any of my natural hair. That was the mistake in the last slide. My natural hair became tangled with the weave. Once that is done, I just pull it to tighten it, and then I separate my natural hair into one side of the weave and then the other side of the weave. I pull it tight again, and then I just start to twist. And I am going to twist my hair all the way down because I need for this protective style to last anywhere from 10 to 14 days. So I'm going to twist mine all the way down, and I am putting the jam onto my natural hair so that it does not stick out and that it just becomes twisted around the Toyo Tress hair. And honestly, with this jam, I haven't had to redo any of my twists, and it has been a few days already. So I would say if there's no shining jam near you, then get the jam that I showed in the beginning of the video. And I'm just going to twist, twist, twist. Every so often I pull through to prevent any more tangles because this hair will tangle a lot. And I'm just twisting all the way down. Once I get to the end, I'm going to include some more jam and some more moisturizing cream to prevent any unraveling or anything like that. And at the end of the twist with the jam, I just treat it like a normal twist out. I just smooth it out and then just twirl it around my fingers. And then I go in with the moisturizing cream and I just smooth it onto the weave also, and then just twirl it around my fingers and it'll curl up. I went ahead and I finished the rest of my twist off camera because it was actually slowing me down to attempt to record and twist at the same time. So once I was finished, I am just going to take the jewelry that came with it from the Amazon packet, and I'm going to use all of the colors. I just wanted to see how it would look, and I like how all of the colors look together, so I'm going to insert them randomly throughout my hair onto the twist. The rubber bands that came in the pack with the Toyo Tress hair, they were, I'm not going to say cheaply made, but they're not what I was used to, and they were popping very easily, and I want this style to last, so I didn't need any rubber bands to be popping, so I didn't use those. I just used the ones that I'm used to from Walmart that cost about 98 cents. The ones that I know do not pop very easily. So this is the finished look. I was super proud of myself. You guys, this is my first time doing any type of extended weave in my hair solo, like first time ever. So I was very, very proud of myself, and I just love this look. I love how it looks on me. Yes, sis, feel yourself, honey. Yes. And this is me feeling myself even more outside, snapping up a lot of pictures. But after I did my makeup and everything, like the twist just stood out even more. I just love this look, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Yeah, that's about it, y'all. I love this look. I think I look beautiful, honey.